Did you know? With just a few lines of text, you can create a complete professional YouTube video about elderly healthcare without filming anything yourself. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to use VideoGen AI, a powerful tool that lets you turn written content into beautiful, informative videos, like this one. Caring for seniors at home requires patience, compassion, and attention to detail. What is VideoGen? VideoGen AI is an online platform that turns text into fully produced videos, complete with visuals, voiceover, subtitles, and background music. All you have to do is type what you want to say, pick a style, and let the AI do the rest. How to sign up? Go to https://shaliamaster.com VideoGen. Click Sign Up to create a free account. You can start making videos right away, but free exports will include a watermark. Let's create a video on elderly healthcare. Now let me show you how to create a video with the topic, 7 tips for taking care of seniors at home. Step 1. Click Create New Video. Step 2. Enter your content prompt. Title, 7 tips for caring for seniors. Script. 1. Maintain a healthy diet. 2. Encourage gentle daily exercise. Step 1. Schedule regular checkups, get enough sleep, promote positive mental health. Stay socially connected. Follow medical advice from doctors. Step 3. Choose voice, English, male, Adam, style, calm, educational. Let the AI generate your video. Once you click Generate, just wait 1 to 2 minutes. The AI will automatically create video clips that match your script, natural-sounding voiceover background music, auto-generated subtitles. Caring for seniors is a meaningful journey that requires compassion, attention, and a thoughtful approach. One of the most important steps is maintaining a healthy diet. Edit and export your video. After the video is generated, you can edit each slide, swap images, change voiceovers, update text. When ready, hit Export to download. Caring for seniors is a meaningful journey that requires compassion, attention, and a thoughtful approach. One of the most important steps is maintaining a healthy diet. Seniors benefit greatly from well-balanced meals rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Proper nutrition supports energy, strengthens the immune system, and helps manage chronic conditions. Encouraging gentle daily exercise is equally essential. Activities like walking, stretching, or light yoga improve mobility, balance, and mood. Even short, consistent sessions can make a significant difference, helping to preserve independence and boost overall well-being. Regular checkups are vital for early detection and management of health concerns. Scheduling routine visits with healthcare professionals ensures that seniors stay up to date with necessary screenings, vaccinations, and medication reviews. These appointments offer an opportunity to address any new symptoms and adjust care plans as needed. Getting enough sleep is another cornerstone of good health. Seniors should aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. Establishing a calming bedtime routine and maintaining a consistent schedule can improve sleep quality, which in turn supports memory, mood, and physical health. Promoting positive mental health is just as important as caring for the body. Engaging in activities that stimulate the mind, like puzzles, reading, or learning new skills, helps keep the mind sharp. Additionally, practicing mindfulness or relaxation techniques can ease stress and enhance emotional well-being. Staying socially connected plays a crucial role in preventing loneliness and isolation. Regular interactions with family, friends, or community groups foster a sense of belonging and joy. Even simple phone calls or video chats can make a big difference. Finally, always follow medical advice from doctors and care professionals. Adhering to prescribed treatments and recommendations supports better health outcomes and provides peace of mind for everyone involved. By following these 7 tips, you can help seniors live healthier, happier, and more fulfilling lives. Tips to improve results. How to write better prompts. Use simple, clear English focus on one scene or idea per line. Example: show an elderly couple walking in the park with soft background music. Choose voiceovers that match your tone: calm, warm, and clear. With VideoGen, you can create videos for YouTube health education, social media tips on caregiving, family guidance, or school presentations. It's perfect for educators, caregivers, or anyone who wants to share useful content without needing editing skills. And just like that, you've created a meaningful and professional video on senior care using AI. No camera, no editing software. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe to Lee AI Master, and comment below if you want more tutorials on AI tools and content creation.